This next generation of the AminoCarnitines are even more exciting, and the data on a GPLC, GlycoCarn, just absolutely blows me away. What the AminoCarnitines do, basically, it's taking an amino acid, combining it with a carnitine, and in the GI tract, now you're getting more energy for your money, so to speak. You're getting the amino acid, it could be a taurinate or it could be a glycinate, or an arginine. It could be any of these with the carnitine at the same time, and it enhances the efficacy of both the amino acid and carnitine because they share a synergistic response. Now, the GlycoCarn, the propylenyl-L-Carnitine, the Glycine Propionyl-L-Carnitine, this is an interesting study because, it's amazing. I didn't see this study. I laid eyes on this the first time today. I looked at the data before the article, but I had a hunch that this would be extraordinarily valuable in the athlete, and I'll tell you why. If you take GPLC at 3 grams, it's going to increase the levels of carnitine in skeletal muscle as well as heart muscle. And what's going to happen here is that when you have this in the heart, it's going to be a favorable antidote to the incidence of malondialdehyde, which is a marker of oxidative stress. Malondialdehyde is toxic to cells. At the same time, this form of carnitine releases small amounts of nitric oxide, which is important for stabilizing plaque, as well as stabilizing what we call the basement membrane of blood vessels in the heart. So this GPLC does something very specific to the blood vessel. It also does some remarkable things for blood platelets as well. So it's been effective in studies. The handout is there, and basically what it does is it improves the carnitine levels in skeletal muscle, like I said before. It reduces malondialdehyde assays on graded exercise testing, and it improves nitric oxide. Everything good for the blood vessels of the heart. And again, the claims that they have, I think, are right on, based on the research. It has the antioxidant properties. It sequesters free radicals, and it does everything right in preserving that inner basement membrane of the blood vessel.